Two tractors, same horsepower range, same target farmer, and a purchase price gap that runs anywhere from $30,000 to $50,000 depending on spec and market. That gap is not the whole story. It is just where the conversation starts. This is Farm Gear Pro. Today we are running a real 5-year ROI comparison on the Massey Ferguson 8S.305 and the Fendt 930 Vario. Not off a brochure, not off a spec sheet, but the way a serious operator actually makes this decision. Let's go. First, what each machine actually is, because the platform tells you everything about the ownership picture. The Massey Ferguson 8S.305 sits at the top of AGCO's MF8S lineup. 305 horsepower, 6-cylinder AGCO power engine, Dyna VT continuously variable transmission as standard on the top spec. Massey Ferguson 8S.305, 305 horsepower. AGCO power, 6-cylinder. Dyna VT CVT standard. The Fendt 930 Vario runs 300 horsepower rated 6-cylinder MAN engine, and the Fendt Vario CVT, in continuous production and refinement since 1995. 30 years on one platform. That is not marketing copy. That is an engineering track record. Both machines run continuously variable transmissions, and if you have been running a power shift for the last decade, that difference is worth understanding before anything else. CVT eliminates shift points entirely. The operator sets ground speed, the transmission manages the ratio continuously, and the engine stays in its most fuel-efficient range, regardless of what the load is doing underneath you. CVT. No shift points. Engine stays in fuel-efficient range. Load changes do not matter. Fuel is one of the largest operating expense line items on any serious operation. A CVT that keeps the engine out of its thirsty range across a full working day, across 800 to 1,000 hours per year, compounds into real money over 5 seasons. Now the purchase price gap. Because this is where most operators start and where most of them stop too early. In the current US market, the Massey Ferguson 8S.305 in full specification typically comes in $30,000 to $50,000 below the Fendt 930 Vario in comparable trim. That range depends on dealer location, specification level, and current market conditions. $30,000 to $50,000 purchase price gap. MF 8S.305 lower. Fendt 930 Vario higher. Current US market. Financed at current agricultural lending rates. That gap translates into a real annual debt service difference that hits your cash flow every year of ownership. If your operation is carrying significant existing debt load, that difference is not abstract. It is a monthly payment number. But if you stop the analysis at purchase price, you are making a 5-year decision with 1 year of data. The second major variable is fuel consumption across real working conditions. And this is where the Fendt Vario's 30 years of refinement starts showing up on the cost sheet. Stop at purchase price. And you are making a 5-year decision with 1 year of data. Operators who have run both platforms in comparable mixed-duty applications consistently report that the Fendt Vario's efficiency advantage shows up most clearly in variable load work, planting, tillage, hay and livestock operations, where the demand on the drivetrain shifts constantly throughout the day. The Massey Ferguson Dyna VT is a genuine CVT, and it delivers real fuel savings over power shift alternatives. Do not let anyone tell you otherwise. But the Fendt Vario has 3 additional decades of hydromechanical refinement behind it. On a 5,000-acre operation running 1,000 tractor hours per year, even a 4 to 6% fuel efficiency difference compounds into a number that belongs on your ROI spreadsheet. Massey Ferguson, Dyna VT, genuine CVT, real savings, Fendt Vario. 3 more decades of refinement. Run your actual annual fuel cost and apply a 4% efficiency differential across 5 years. That number will either close the purchase price gap significantly or it will not. And you need to know which before you sign. Third variable, maintenance and repair cost. And this is where both machines share an advantage that is worth real money in 2026. AGCO publicly supports farmers' right to repair their own equipment. Diagnostic tool access, service documentation, Repair information for independent shops and farm owners. Both the MF 8S.305 and the Fendt 930 Vario operate under that philosophy. AGCO. Right to repair. Farmer diagnostic access. Independent shop access. Both machines benefit. When a sensor faults on either of these machines, you or your independent mechanic can diagnose it, source the part competitively, and complete the repair without mandatory dealer dispatch at dealer labor rates. That is not a small thing across 5 years of ownership on a high-hour machine. Compare that directly to the John Deere situation, because context matters here. The FTC filed a formal antitrust lawsuit against John Deere in January 2025 under Section 2 of the Sherman Act over its dealer-only diagnostic lockout. Motion to dismiss denied June 2025. $99 million class action settlement reached April 2026. FTC case still active as of May 2026. FTC lawsuit, John Deere, January 2025. Motion to dismiss denied. $99 million settlement, April 2026. Neither the MF 8S.305 nor the Fendt 930 Vario carries that diagnostic lockout risk. On a machine running 800 to 1,000 hours per year, the cumulative maintenance cost difference between independent repair access and dealer-only repair access across 5 years is a real number, and it favors both AGCO machines. Before we go further, if Farm Gear Pro is giving you the straight equipment analysis you have been looking for, hit subscribe right now. We do this every week. Brand against brand, real numbers, no dealer sponsorship. Hit like and share with any operator making a major equipment decision right now. Back to the comparison. Now the cab, because 12 to 14 hours a day is a long time to be in a bad seat, and operator fatigue has a dollar value most farm managers never quantify. The Fendt 930 Vario runs the Fendt Variotronic TMS headland management system. Automatic sequence control that handles the repetitive headland tasks, so the operator is not burning mental energy on the same inputs hundreds of times per day. Fendt 930 Vario, Variotronic TMS, headland management, automatic sequence control. The Massey Ferguson 8S.305 runs the Datatronic 5 terminal with AGCO precision agriculture integration. Solid, functional, and representing a genuine step forward from previous MF cab generations in layout and operator interface design. High-hour operators who have spent time in both consistently describe the Fendt cab as the more refined working environment. The joystick layout, seat suspension tuning, and noise management at full operating load reflect decades of European working farm development that shows up in how an operator feels at hour 12 versus hour 2. Fendt cab, joystick layout, seat suspension, noise management, feels different at hour 12. The MF 8S cab is genuinely competitive. Not a consolation prize, not an afterthought. AGCO has invested in closing the operator comfort gap with the premium European competition, and the 8S reflects that investment. Here is why cab quality belongs on a ROI spreadsheet. A less fatigued operator makes better agronomic decisions at the end of a long planting day. Better depth control, better speed management, better situational awareness on the headland. On a large operation, those decisions affect input efficiency across thousands of acres. Fatigued operator, worse decisions, 1,000 acres. Input efficiency, cab quality is a ROI variable. On operations running hired help, a premium cab environment also affects your ability to attract and retain quality operators, which is a real labor cost factor in the current agricultural labor market. Dealer network, honest picture, no spin. Both the MF 8S.305 and the Fendt 930 Vario are sold and serviced through AGCO's American dealer network. In many US markets, the same AGCO dealer carries both brands, shared parts infrastructure, shared service capability. Massey Ferguson and Fendt. Both AGCO, same dealer in many US markets, shared parts infrastructure. AGCO's combined dealer footprint is still smaller than John Deere's national network in most rural counties. If your nearest AGCO dealer is a longer drive than your nearest Deere dealer, factor that distance into your downtime risk calculation. It belongs in the model. But here is where the right to repair advantage changes the dealer proximity math. Because both machines allow independent diagnostic access, routine maintenance and small repairs can be handled by you or a local independent mechanic, reducing your operational dependency on dealer proximity compared to a software-locked platform. Right to repair changes the dealer proximity math. Independent access reduces dealer dependency. You still need your AGCO dealer for major work. But the day-to-day dependency on dealer proximity that drives so much of the John Deere ownership calculus simply does not apply the same way on either of these machines. Resale value. And this is a major ROI variable that sticker price comparisons completely miss. Late-model Fendt units are holding auction value consistently in 2025 and 2026. Ritchie Brothers and comparable auction data shows Fendt tractors maintaining strong relative resale at comparable hours against competing platforms across the Midwest and Great Plains markets. Fendt resale value, holding strong. Ritchie Brothers, 2025 and 2026. Midwest and Great Plains. Massey Ferguson, 8S series resale data is still developing as the platform matures in the used market. Early auction results suggest the 8S is holding value better than older MF generations. The market is recognizing the genuine capability improvement the platform represents. A machine that retains more of its purchase value at trade-in time lowers your effective annual ownership cost, even if the day-one purchase price was higher. That is the 5-year ownership math that changes the Fendt's higher sticker price from a liability into a more defensible investment for high-hour operations. Stronger resale. Lowers effective annual ownership cost. Higher sticker price becomes more defensible. Run the Fendt's projected resale against the MF's projected resale at comparable hours in your specific market. That differential, applied against the purchase price gap, is where the 5-year ROI answer actually lives. Precision agriculture integration, because in 2026 this is a real productivity variable on any operation above 1,000 acres. The Fendt 930 Vario runs section control, variable rate application, and RTK guidance integration as standard or near standard across its precision agriculture package. Fendt 930 Vario. Section control, variable rate. RTK guidance. Precision AG standard. The Massey Ferguson 8S.305 runs comparable precision agriculture capability through AGCO's shared technology platform. Same underlying data architecture, same flexibility in how you manage and export your field data across your farm management system. Both machines draw from the same AGCO Precision Agriculture Foundation, and that shared platform gives the operator more data flexibility than closed proprietary ecosystems that lock your agronomic data inside the manufacturer's system. On operations where variable rate application and prescription farming are driving measurable input savings, that data flexibility has a real dollar value that belongs in the ROI model. AGCO Shared Precision, AG Platform. Data flexibility, not locked in manufacturer ecosystem, real input savings. So where does the 5-year ROI comparison actually land? No brand loyalty, straight assessment. If your operation runs under 700 tractor hours per year, carries existing debt load, and your nearest AGCO dealer is well positioned to support either machine, the Massey Ferguson 8S.305 purchase price advantage likely wins the 5-year model. Lower debt service, solid CVT efficiency, genuine right to repair access, and a capable precision agriculture platform at a meaningfully lower capital outlay. Under 700 hours, existing debt load, strong dealer proximity, MF 8S.305. Purchase price advantage likely wins. If your operation runs 900 to 1,200 tractor hours per year in variable load mixed duty work, your financing rate is competitive, and you are in a market where Fendt resale values are holding. The Fendt 930 Vario's fuel efficiency edge, stronger resale floor, and cab ergonomics across long working days start closing the purchase price gap significantly across 5 seasons. High hours, mixed duty, competitive financing. Strong Fendt resale market, Fendt 930. Vario closes the gap. Neither answer is universal. The machine that delivers better 5-year ROI for your operation depends on your specific hours, your specific financing rate, and the resale market in your specific region at trade-in time. Run the full model before you sign anything. Annual debt service, projected fuel cost differential, maintenance savings from independent repair access, and projected resale at comparable hours from current auction data in your market. Run the full model, debt service, fuel cost differential, maintenance savings, projected resale, all 5 years. That model, not the monthly payment, not the spec sheet side by side, is what tells you which machine actually earns its seat in your shed across 5 seasons of real work on real ground. Both the MF 8S.305 and the Fendt 930 Vario are serious machines backed by a manufacturer that publicly supports your right to repair them. In 2026, that shared philosophy is worth real money across 5 years of ownership, and it is the baseline both machines bring to this comparison before a single horsepower number or CVT spec enters the conversation. Both machines, AGCO, right to repair. Owner serviceable, real money across 5 years. Farm Gear. Pro is going to keep running these comparisons every week. Real machines, real numbers, real operators making real decisions. Because the equipment choice you make in 2026 defines your operation's financial position for the next decade. Thanks for watching Farm Gear Pro. If you found this breakdown valuable, share it with a fellow farmer and comment below your thoughts on this topic. See you in the next one.